Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye Steel 2. I'm joined by Zege, DJ Spoo.
Kabuyelo. Compliment to Masandawana and other supporters as well. So it's a great privilege and honor for me to be here.
Yes.
So yeah, let me get back to the game. I can hear people are complaining about the game, but it's not easy to play such teams because you don't even know their strength. They are unknown.
Yes.
So we were caught off guard.
Yes.
You can't prepare everything against such a minor team.
Yeah.
But let's be happy because team against the unknown team.
Against the unknown team.
Capital City. Yeah, South Africa.
Oh man, give me team against the unknown team.
There was a supporter of Rokamo. I think Coach Abaroka was 14 years old. Chiefs. There was a team called Maluti FC College.
Yes.
They could not believe. So, the last kickoff a dying horse is very dangerous.
Yes.
So, Rena as Masandawana, I say, strongholds shake, but they do not collapse.
Yeah.
So, Rena Mamelodi Sundowns, I can hear many people, they've got a doubt against our coach. They are not positive for Coach Arena.
Yes.
Let's give Diamond a chance.
Yeah.
Remember, Diamond has a chance here against pre-season.
Yes.
I know I'm a paid fan.
Yeah.
But let's be realistic. Only some of the errors the Plaza Arena they commit.
Yes.
And one coach coached that some of the things you can never coach them. So player in a danger zone position.
Yes.
A professional player should know that.
Yes.
You don't need a coach. So again, it was good because we gave other players a chance.
Yeah.
It's not an easy task to play such teams. So now I'm happy and I'm gracious for progressing to the next stage.
Yes.
Now give us the Pirates. 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 Yes, I'm very positive and optimistic. Give us the Pirates. We will not if there is one team that we enjoy playing against it's Orlando Pirates. It's like they've won a World Cup.
Yes.
If Pirates was as good as they claim, yes, we need League 14 times in their presence.
Yes.
And even tomorrow, yes, yes, they might not make it. They might not make it. Nagar Masandawana, we have a very good team. Let's rally behind our coach. Yes. The past is the past. Roland Mukwana was as good, and he has his strength and weakness.
Yes.
Same as Cardoso, and he's like any other coaches.
Yes.
So let's give that man a chance. Let's instill courage.
Yes.
We've got good players. So Cardoso is cooking something good. I like it. Nabi Wapi now. What's out there 2 years?
Yeah.
So let's not be like Nagabata Pirates. I give a to go final. Gabata Pirates and Lavongina Tom. Kabakupela, please. Don't tell anyone. What's about the register on Nedbank Cup.co.za? No. Kunale challenge the next round. Kunale challenge the next round. Gabata Pirates. Only Mamelodi Sundowns washing powder. It's ready. So we need all of the Pirates. They know